Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be giving away a free Discord template for anyone to use. You can do whatever you want with the Discord template. You can change roles, add roles, change channels, do whatever you like. So let's get right into it. So the first step, go to the link in the description of this video and click the server template. Now it should bring you to something that looks like this. Change the server name to whatever you would like and upload your own photo. Now you can do whatever you like. You can change channel names, you can add roles to people, you can make the server public. I don't mind, it's up to you. If you're having any trouble getting the template to work or you have a question, feel free to comment on this video. So thank you for watching, and if you use the template or you watched the video and enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, turn on notifications and all of that stuff. Thanks guys, see you later.